Starting the conversation. It can be difficult, and I needed to start the conversation with my brother-in-law and sister-in-law.
My father died in 2007.
My husband was diagnosed with cystic fibrosis.
Our relationship wasn't as close as I wanted it to be.
She'd just been diagnosed with her third recurrence of breast cancer.
I was feeling so shocked because I thought that we had more time.
So we were thrown into the midst of planning her end-of-life care.
My name is Dr. Karen Herron. Going through a life-threatening illness is like wandering through the wilderness, and that's why we called it Wilderness Journey Ministries.
There's no way to predict how family members will react.
I remember going to the chapel at the hospital and just losing it. I was crying and upset, and I couldn't let Ron see I was crying and upset. I was trying to hold it together for everybody.
When you're dealing with a death, an impending death, everyone's emotions are on high alert.
People can feel alone, frightened.
You're worrying about your husband being sick, and then you're worrying about your child because he's losing his dad.
We built our classes around that concept that God is the one who can heal the emotions, can heal relationships.
And that's when God can come in and heal.
There comes a point where you kind of hit that wall, and at that point you have to do something for you.
I was there for their 9-week class, and I gained so many tools that helped me to minister to my brother and sister-in-law.
My sister and I both attended, and I was so pleased, and I was so happy that she went with me.
I can sincerely say, as a nurse and a cancer survivor myself, the more tools you have, the more successful the journey.
I enjoyed the class because it gave me spiritual encouragement.
This experience has made me very grateful for every day.
Just having people in the same room that were experiencing the same hurts and the same pain inside that you were experiencing, it felt like we weren't alone.
It enabled me to start the conversation.
Our goal is to shine the light of Christ in the dark times of a terminal illness.